What's good, YouTube, man? What's good, y'all, man? We just up here at Jamba Juice, man. Tell them what time it is. What time is it?
It is 7:30.
7:30 in the morning. It was a long night. It was a long night last night. So we gotta be healthy today. We gotta be healthy today. After a long night, I recommend y'all go, you know what I'm saying, and get you some, hold on, let me, get you some like natural stuff. Don't be trying to just eat on snacks, man. Or just make it work. Get the greens and ginger. I'm gonna try this out, see if it really worked out. I just heard about it, you know what I'm saying? But how much was it?
Since you have the free small smoothie, it'll just be free.
Oh yeah, for the free stuff. If you got rewards, go ahead. I'm saying, I'm telling you, get you a smoothie, bro. Start your little healthy stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta be a little free smoothie. I forgot how many points you gotta have. How many points do you have to like really to get a free smoothie? Shit, okay. She's over there doing her job. Yeah, man. I had to come up here, man. I thought I was gonna have to spend some money on it. I thought I was gonna spend some little things on $11. Nah, $10. $11 after tax. I was thinking, I had a long day at work. I'm talking about, at least I ain't have clothes. I gotta go to work today too. Got a free smoothie though. But yeah, man. It wasn't too crazy though. I'm gonna let you know. L night for me, I guess. What wasn't even L night? I just didn't get no chicks. It wasn't L night for me though. You can say all you want, bro. You can say all you want. It's easy. Look, man, I just know how to vibe. Bro. I be vibing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Chilling. Yeah, she wanna get up, man. You know what I'm saying? Get up, man. I'll just side. Let's get. Yeah, man. Look, y'all. Out here. Look, y'all. So, I lick my lips to make it look better, and it made it look worse. I lick my lips because I had cotton mouth actually, and it made it look worse. So, don't mind that. But yeah, man, let's get back to the video, man. This how to you know, get rid of a hangover after a long night. After a long night, this is how you get rid of a hangover, man. Organically. So you ain't gotta go take no medicines, no pills, because medicines is here. They from the earth. They already here. I don't even trust pills like that. But this is a natural way to get rid of a hangover, you know what I'm saying? So, man, let's get back to the video. I ain't gonna show you that. I'm just gonna we gonna get back to when I'm grabbing the smoothie. Yeah, cause I'm gonna cut this out. Let's keep going. Hey, man, say, man. Okay, man.
It's already nice and warm outside. We got some showers coming through overnight and stuff.
Bro, I just made my car look like it I studied, bro. But I just made it look like my car didn't want to start up. Because I wanted to flip my steering wheel around so I could sit the phone on there, but it wasn't going to make no sense. I took a sip. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's hitting, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. What I got, you know what I'm saying? What moneyreezy gets the day after drinking, man. And I got this free, nigga. I'm gonna tell you how many points, bro. I'm gonna put the points. How many points you gotta have to, you know, get a free small smoothie from Jamba Juice. I come up here a lot. So, you know what I'm saying? You gotta come up, you gotta go up there. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta rock with Jamba Juice. You gotta rock with smoothie.
We can show up, I see you now. I just realized the sun was over, like what you said. I just realized the sun was over. Cause I'm gonna go to quarter my bed. I know like you was my on my own shoulder. Shawty, I live stuck in my head. We caught up, I did it better than sex. We turning up like the feel that was next. I just realized the sun was over.
I seen the EP, man. New music, bro. But no, real talk though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If you like you know, got some nausea after like drinking, bro, y'all better go get y'all a smoothie. I'm telling you. I'm not saying any type of smoothie though. You gotta be healthy. You gotta get some greens. Get the greens and ginger smoothie. And if y'all can put me on some more smoothie places, bro, like, you know, that's better than Jamba Juice. If y'all think something better than Jamba Juice, man, let me know, ski, cause I explode-ski. Let me know, ski. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting y'all on game, bro. Greens and ginger, bro. It get rid of that nausea feeling. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, now I'm feeling good though. I'm feeling good. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm feeling good. But and I just, you know, smoked me a blunt before I did this, but I don't recommend you smoke. You know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta smoke. That's just what I do. But yeah, man. That greens and ginger. That's all I can say. That greens and ginger, man. This lightning ain't hitting. It's hitting like the opposite. It's hitting like the opposite, you know what I'm saying, direction. But hey, bro, I ain't tripping. I need a cameraman, camera woman, somebody to be clutch with the camera for me. You feel me? Walking across the street, taking his time. You know what I'm saying? Loki had that shit on. Old nigga had that. Loki had that shit on. I ain't gonna lie to you. But hey, look though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm just putting y'all on game. You know what I'm saying? If y'all, you know, trying to figure out a remedy, y'all taking medicine and, you know, all these pills and unnecessary stuff, you know what I'm saying? And that's, you know, destroying your body also. You want to take a natural route, bro? Nigga, you gotta go get, it's easy, bro. It's easy, literally. Just go to a smoothie place and look up ingredients. Look up natural, you know, resources for killing like that feeling, you know, like nausea. Natural resources to get rid of nausea. You know what I'm saying? And to tell you, you'll probably find a smoothie with that too. You know what I'm saying? Look up what, you know, you never know, bro. You gotta look at the ingredients. Oh yeah, now the light ain't gonna hit like that, nigga. But nah, for real though. I don't know something. Oh shit. Oh Lord. Alright, look. Fair warning, ginger is a little spicy. It do got a kick to it. It got a spice. But hey, that's how you know it's hitting. But you good. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want it, I ain't gonna lie, my first time trying to, I didn't know what ginger tasted like. I'm telling you, I didn't know what ginger tasted like until like 3 months before 2024 ended. I was like, what? No, what is this spicy shit? I'm thinking I'm finna have a heart attack. I feel it everywhere, nigga. But no, for real, like, you know what I'm saying? That ginger do it to you. Get you right, though. Get you right. I'm telling you, I gotta lock in, twin. Lock in, twin. And it ain't all about just living long. It's just about being healthy. You know what I'm saying? Treating your body right. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, right. I'm making spiritual channel. Spiritual reason on the way on here. But yeah, man, I was just showing y'all, you know, what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? I do this really on regular. Not drink. I don't drink on the regular. No. Ain't alcoholic. You know what I'm saying? But I do go get smoothies, you know what I'm saying, to like, you know, just renew my body, like, and kind of detox, you know what I'm saying? You know, I remember I really first started drinking healthy stuff and like trying healthy stuff on my own. Was like, I tried this like antioxidant drink called B-A-I. And you know what I'm saying? I was, long story short, I was shitting, nigga. Nigga, I was shitting, nigga. Hey, I was boo-booing so much. Yeah, I'm saying it like that. I was boo-booing so much. But my body was just, you know, draining all them toxins, man. I'm telling you. That's part about cleaning your body, bro. You know what I'm saying? Your body don't like certain things, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, you feel me? Really retarded. Long story short, just be healthy, man. This is what I do. Get you smoothie from time to time. You know what I'm saying? Roll you a splozy from time to time. Nigga, I ain't even trying to ride. It only takes 750 points to get a free smoothie. And like I said, this ain't no endorsement, no sponsorship, no none of that. They need to sponsor me though. Jamba Jew. If you see this, and you like what I'm doing, I'll tag y'all. If you like what I'm doing, hit me up. I'm saying, like with your boy, I'm trying to get about the hood and be healthy. And it's, you know, everybody else be healthy. Yeah. But look, man, for the hood folks, if you're trying to be healthy, man, it's just like spending money with the plug, man. You know what I'm saying? So you can start spending money with the plug a little bit, or you can spend money with the plug. But you know how you spend your money with that, for that, and then you keep spending money for that, they might throw you a deal on that, They mess around and give you something a little free on that, just like this. Let's go. That's how you be feeling when you running out on that, but this that, for that intertwine, nigga.